Hi guys, this is Friends Amazing Toys, and today we're going to review the Tobot Adventure X from Young Toys. Tobot Adventure X is the second upgrade of Tobot X. An orange Kia Soul, Adventure X can utilize several tools, such as a tow hook, to assist other Tobots. He is Ryan's guardian. It's rated just 4 years and up. Now it's in box set. Here, what's inside the box: Tobot Adventure X figure, a shovel, an axe, an off-road spare tire, a sticker sheet, and an instruction sheet. Here's Tobot Adventure X in robot mode. He measures approximately 10 inches high. He's mostly orange in color, with an X symbol at the chest. There is no articulation at the head, but there is limited articulation at the shoulders. But the problem is, if you try to raise it too high, the body bends. It has articulation at the leg, the knee, and the feet. You can put the axe in the utility belt. You can also put the shovel in the utility belt, but only if it's disassembled at first. And then reassembled. You can also put the spare tire on the side. This is how to transform him into vehicle mode. Here he is in vehicle mode. He rolls well, just like the other Tobot vehicles. He is an orange Kia Soul. He is 4 inches high and 8 inches long. The utility belt also becomes a detachable roof box. You can put the spare tire on top also. There is also a winch, but it's too hard to pull. The shop on the X can be attached to the sides of the car. They can be used as his tow key. All in all, we really love Tobot toys because it's more durable than the other robot toys out there. Plus, we got this on sale at the Toy Expo and we even got a freebie. Watch our overview of the Toy Expo here. That's it, guys. Please click the subscribe button to get these my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.